Hey y'all, Susan Bailey, Bailey's Towing Accessories. Over the last couple days, we have got the same question asked over and over again. How long will the coating last on the Hi-Viz chain? There truly is no one answer to that question. It's all going to depend on who uses it and how it's used. But to answer your question, we thought we'd do a little bit of an experiment. We're going to drag it behind the razor so it's bouncing off of the gravel for about a quarter mile, and we'll stop and take a look, see what it looks like. So is it scuffed? Yes, it's scuffed, but let's remember, it just got dragged behind a razor for a quarter mile in the gravel driveway. So how long is the coating going to last? Again, there is no answer. It's all dependent on how you're going to use it and treat it. Does the product do what it says it's going to do? Provide safety that you can see? It's still green, so my answer is yes. The product is safety that you can see. Hi-Viz Chain.